Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to open Steam games without Steam. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your File Explorer or this PC on your desktop. Once it's open, click on the local drive where you installed your Steam games. This is typically your main drive where all your programs are stored, and it's where Steam keeps all your game files by default. Next, double-click on Program Files x86. This folder contains most of the programs installed on your computer, including Steam and all its related files. It's essentially the home base for your gaming setup. From there, double-click on the Steam folder. This is where all of Steam's main files and game libraries are stored. Everything related to your Steam installation lives in this folder, making it the central hub for accessing your games directly. Now double-click on Steam Apps. This particular folder is crucial because it contains all the actual game files for every Steam game you've installed. Think of it as your personal game library stored right on your hard drive. After that, double-click on Common. This subfolder is where each individual game has its own dedicated folder with all the necessary files to run. It's organized to keep each game separate and easy to manage. Once you're inside the Common folder, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type .exe. This search command filters the results to show only executable files, which are the files that actually launch your games. It saves you time by narrowing down the hundreds of files to just the ones you need. Now browse through the search results that appear. You'll see various executable files for different games you have installed. Look for the game you want to open and double-click on it. This launches the game directly without needing to open the Steam client first, giving you faster access to your gaming experience. After double-clicking, wait for a few seconds while the game loads. The loading time depends on your computer's performance and the size of the game, but it should launch normally just as it would through Steam. And that's it, you've successfully opened your Steam game without launching Steam first, saving you time and getting you straight into the action. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.